Welcome to MTRCB app. Please read the privacy policy, then check the box. Click Next to start using MTRCB app. Click Get Started, then proceed to More located at the bottom right. Then click Login. Input your email address and password. Then press Login. Click More at the bottom right corner, then click MTRCB Dashboard. MTRCB Dashboard contains the number of ticket requested, movie report submitted, TV report submitted and other venue reports submitted. Proceed to request a ticket. Click Scan Mall QR code to scan the QR code. Then click Proceed to Ticket Request. Fill up details such as cinema location, movie title, movie schedule, your companion's first name and last name. Then click Submit. You will see result of the ticket request with code. Next, click All Tickets Requested. You will see here the list of all requested tickets. The gray check on the side means that you haven't reviewed it. Green check means it's done. If you want to cancel your requested ticket, you can simply click your ticket. Below you can see the Cancel button. Click Cancel. Then, confirmation will appear. If you really want to cancel your ticket, click Yes. If not, click No. Click Ticket to see the full details of the ticket. Let's move on to Submit Movie Report. Click the movie that you watched. Verify the movie details at the top to make sure you're reporting for the correct movie. Next, go through each question in the checklist. Toggle each switch to indicate whether the movie complies with each requirement. Then, enter the name of the cinema staff you spoke with regarding the movie. Add any additional comments or observations about the movie. You can also attach a photo for additional context. Once everything is filled out, click Submit to send your movie report. Next is Submit a TV report. This screen shows a list of all your TV reports. Each entry represents a report you previously submitted for a TV program. You can check the full details of your previous report just by clicking it. Click New Report to create new TV report. Start by entering the TV network and TV program. Then select Rating. TV rating can be classified as G, PG, or SPG. Then, specify the date and time when the program aired. Add any comments to describe why you're reporting it. You can even attach up to 4 images to provide more context. Once you're done, tap Proceed. You can also attach a video. Once everything is filled out, click Complete Submission to send your TV report. Click the Back button at the upper left corner. Then click Report. This screen contains all your other venue reports. Select a report to view its details. Here, you can see any photos attached to your report for better documentation. If you've added a video, it will appear here as well. It also shows the report type, location, brief details, and the event date and time. Let's proceed to adding new report for other public venues. First, select the type of report you're filing, either public utility vehicle, video publicity materials, non-video publicity materials, or others. Next, enter the location or place where you observed the content. Choose the date and time of the event or when you saw the material. Add any details or descriptions that can help us understand the situation better. If needed, you can upload up to 4 images as evidence. Once all the information is filled out, tap Proceed. You can also attach a video. Once everything is filled out, click Complete Submission to send your other public venue report. Then click Done. There you have it, the other public venue report is already added. Thank you.